Hi, today I want to share my own experience of choosing the best service in the top fleet maintenance software. I've tested quite a few platforms in the past, about 25, and I must admit that this service has the most elaborate set of features. Almost everything you need is on this platform. In this short video, I'm going to tell you 7 beneficial secrets that not many people know about, which makes it the best in the best fleet maintenance software category. I'm going to leave the link to the official website below this video, so make sure to check it out. And now I'll show you everything in detail. So let's jump. I've never seen something that powerful in the Shopify ecosystem. Booster is one of the Shopify's most popular premium themes to run a successful e-com store. Booster will turn your visitors into buyers. It's more than a simple theme, it's a complete marketing toolbox. Inside Booster, you will find integrated apps, conversion-optimized designs, and speed loads that you can't find with any other theme. In addition, Booster theme allows you to one-click import of any of their demo stores so you can start with a high-converting design. The advanced features in Booster let you create the ultimate experience for your store. They have so much flexibility that is like having 100 themes inside of one. That's not all. You also have access to sales increasing features like frequently bought together, which is one of the best strategies to increase your average order value. Do you know Amazon? Go there and see how they show your frequently bought together products. By choosing Booster, you will leverage that same strategy as the e-com giant. Selling internationally? By default, Shopify is not designed to convert currency by the user based on location. Booster realized this problem and then released a tool to automatically convert prices to currency based on where the user came from. As a result, your customers can see the price in their currency, which is proven to increase your sales. Do you know that over 72% of people visiting a Shopify store on a mobile device? Booster is a super mobile optimized. In Booster, you can design your store for mobile without altering the desktop version. This is the only theme on the market that lets you do this. Your mobile experience can be on point with no sacrifice on other versions. On top of that, they've included mobile conversion features like the sticky add to cart, direct checkout with Apple Pay and Google Pay, and super fast mobile loading speed. With all of these tools at hand, you have everything you need to turn your Shopify store into a gold mine. Get your license today at boostertheme.com using the link in the description panel of this video. And you can be sure that you have 14-day money-back guarantee. No commitment. Thanks, take care, and see ya.
What is AutoSist? Need a better way to track fleet maintenance? We give you a simple and easy way to track services, inspection checklists, set up reminders, track fuel, manage parts inventory, and other important records. Our system is web-based with a mobile app for both iOS and Android, so you can manage your fleet on the go, anytime, anywhere. Easily assign different users with permission control. Try it risk-free. No contracts with simple, flexible pricing. Best of all, any business that needs a simple and affordable way to manage fleet maintenance, submit inspections, create work orders, manage fuel, track parts, and other important records. Pros: I love the ease of use for both myself and my drivers. Love how you can customize the inspections and also how you can schedule reminders and see when trucks have been inspected. I also like the fact that you can upload photos to everything. I've told AutoSist they should make this also for health records for tracking each of my kids and pets, etc. This program has been so helpful and saved me so much time. This has made our expenses much more transparent and gives us the ability to justify our expenses. Cons: we carry a lot of equipment in our vehicle, so we have an inspection that is done for Code 3 emergency equipment and another inspection for vehicle maintenance. When a driver first downloads the software to their phone, they always log into the rock section trying to activate the software. When we did user error, customer service was quick and painless. Mobile app can be a bit buggy. Sometimes reports will come through with no information. What is MaintainX? MaintainX is the world-leading mobile-first workflow management platform for industrial and frontline workers. We are a modern IoT-enabled cloud-based tool for maintenance, safety, and operations on equipment and facilities. MaintainX helps businesses track reactive and preventive maintenance and control the daily operations, such as safety inspections, quality inspections, and operating checklists, all with a digital audit trail. Best for manufacturing, industrial, facility managers, government, schools, hospitality, operational teams, fleet managers, restaurants, warehouses, churches, retail, safety EHS leaders, SMB to enterprise. Pricing details: free, essential, $10 per seat per month. Premium, $39 per seat per month. Pros: we have used this product for over a year and it is wonderful. I have 4 maintenance guys that I keep track of, and this is by far the best app that I have used. MaintainX gives us a full overview of what is outstanding, who is working on what, and the status of every task. I would highly recommend this for any small business that is looking for an affordable and comprehensive way to track maintenance and inventory of their fleet. I like the reporting feature on MaintainX. It tracks the status of the assets after an inspection and can generate a report whenever I need. Cons: I just have a trouble getting buy-in from all facilities. I will keep it them to use for requesting service. I don't like the fact that exporting work lists to PDFs is restricted on the small business account, but I understand the pricing model, or else everybody would be using that account. There is no email system to communicate with client and vendors. It's all done through the app. Note that I have seen to this point, using the phone app can sometimes be difficult in maneuvering around. What is Cituris? Cituris Fleet is a fleet maintenance software system used to streamline costs, save time, and improve operational efficiencies. Cituris solutions provide maintenance teams with the tools to manage their assets every day: warranty and call capture, preventive maintenance, labor and productivity, and inventory management tools. With a steady flow of data, Cituris users can continuously measure and optimize their operations in real time with comprehensive reports and KPIs. Best for organizations of all sizes. We provide fleet maintenance solutions for transportation, oil and gas, distribution, grocery, telecom, power, construction, bus, retail and repair shops, and more. Pros: visionary company to meet your current and future needs. The best platform to maintain the software system and maintain the system economy. We have gained greater visibility on what is happening in the shop throughout the organization. We love how easy it is to move from one module to the next with hyperlinks on nearly everything. The amount of details which helps for parts, repairs and labor. From the details and reports, I can have a good overview on how the technicians are doing. Cons: as a result of the Cituris implementation, we realized a 51% reduction in road failures and a 15% reduction in maintenance costs within the first 18 months. When I dove into the training, I was overwhelmed with the amount of data collection it demanded. What is Whip Around? Whip Around is the simple, effective approach to fleet maintenance. Retain maintenance records, manage faults and work orders, and schedule preventative maintenance with ease. With simple and intuitive functionality, including mileage tracking, reporting, alerts, and an easy-to-use driver inspections app. Easily create forms with photos and signature sign-off. Get instant access to inspection results and outstanding maintenance. Increase the safety, compliance, and profitability of your fleet. Best for delivery and distribution, trucking and logistics, landscaping, government, construction, oil and gas waste, passenger transport, servicing business. Pricing details. Whip Around offers a free 7-day trial to get started. After your trial expires, you can continue your subscription by choosing the standard Vehicle Inspections Only or Pro Vehicle Inspections Plus Maintenance plan. Pricing plans are billed per asset per month with no contract required to get started. Pros: it's great, we are happy we went with them and highly recommend the product. Perfect for tracking assets in all capabilities. Whip Around is a fantastic software that is essential for our place of business. We have several drivers and trucks in our fleet. Working in compliance, I love having processes in place and I love having the data. Whip-around accomplishes this effectively with very few issues. Cons. Unable to correct errors on report. Unable to correct errors on reports. For example, driver selected wrong vehicle and completed inspection with fault. I hate that I didn't know this product was out here before now. In the first week of implementation, a driver using Whip-around found a nail in his sidewall that could have caused a flood on the road or worse. When you turn a defect to a work order, it only shows the category. For example, lights. When the driver fails it and says right headlight out, it only shows on the work order as a light failure. What is eMaint CMMS? Highly customizable, eMaint CMMS software adapts to the needs of a variety of industries, including fleet maintenance and management. Capture, store, and analyze critical fleet data and ensure regulatory compliance. You can track work order completions, daily or hourly vehicle usage, fuel consumption, maintenance history, and other total cost of ownership (TCO) metrics. Use the eMaint dashboard to capture and track a comprehensive view of maintenance activity. Best for manufacturing, food processing, oil and gas, utilities, education, healthcare, warehousing, facilities management, service providers, construction, municipalities, distribution, fleet and packaging. Pricing details. Rather than one-size-fits-all approach, eMaint offers a range of subscription plans designed to fit your budget, goals, and desired approach. eMaint's Team Edition is available at $69 per user per month, 3 user packages. The Professional Edition is available at $85 per user per month, 3 or more users. And the Enterprise Edition is available at $120 per user per month. Pros. I am overall satisfied and would not change even with the issues I have had. Customer support is excellent, and they are always willing to support my request. You can combine good functions from other popular platforms together to create a unique experience that fits your organization. Good implementation and great support for this product. I have had a good experience. They have done their best to implement a software solution that fits our needs and helped customize some features that help our user base. Cons. Dislike the inability to create usernames. The system must create them. It is very difficult to track component failure. I would like a history of components changed on a machine, but I don't know if this is possible. It is web-based, which is part of the issues. Once you realize shortcuts, it makes for a usable experience. It was hard for the residents to input the work order themselves.